The Kenya Media Council has formed a rapid response committee to oversee the media operations in covering the daily updates of COVID-19 in the country. This comes even as concerns continue to arise over journalist overcrowding while covering the live update proceeding against government directive to have all gatherings cancelled.
Among the directives given by the government and the Ministry of Health in taming the spread of COVID-19 was to suspend all public gathering, as President Uhuru Kenyatta issued a directive for all Kenyans to observe a social distance. The gatherings have since been evident as reporters and journalists continue to gather together in large numbers in the ongoing coverage of the COVID-19. Journalists drawn from various media houses scrambled to have a live coverage of government proceedings on the COVID-19 updates, a gathering that has now risen eyebrows on the safety measures undertaken while covering the proceedings.
One meter.
The Media Council of Kenya has formed an emergency response team to monitor the safety of journalists and media practitioners around the COVID-19. Among the recommendations by the committee include suspension of live coverage by a large number of journalists in compliance with the Ministry of Health guidelines on containment of the COVID-19. The emergency response team wants the government to facilitate provision of live feeds to the national and community level media houses to enhance communication. In addition, the Media Council of Kenya wants the Ministry of Health to facilitate provision of official COVID-19 data and information in a bid to counter false information. At the same time, the government has been asked to provide journalists with protective gear to facilitate media coverage on the ongoing COVID-19 updates across the country. Chris Sambu, KUTV.